In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp channel in Android. First, I open WhatsApp on my Android. Now click on Update. Now again click on this three dot menu. Then you can see this is a Create channel. Now click on here. Then again click on Continue. Now you need to select your channel name. First, if I select ABU 100. Oh, this is funny, but this is my WhatsApp channel name. If I want to add any description here, so if I add I love you guys. So now click on create a channel. So wow, it's already created, and you can see this is a zero followers, but this is a share channel link. Just click on here, then you can share this link anywhere, then join any person on here. So if you update and send a photo or video on here, so if I click on this one, then wow, it's already sent it. So you can see how I create a WhatsApp channel in less than 1 minute using free method. So if you have found this video helpful, for make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.